pretty our ceiling fan is.
Nope.
How dare Dave, I can't believe how much you suck. I wish I never heard you say suck. You blew me up like grapes in a microwave. Dave.
Oh, neighborhoods. Hold up one more time.
That's fucking creepy. I'm just still foaming because maybe you can take out the audio and just use this or something.
Just have a dance party. Why'd you have to go and misbehave, Dave?
I cannot believe our love has ended. I'm not sure my heart can be mended. Goodbye, my dearest Dave. I super fucking hate you. Dave. I can't believe how much you suck.
Dave! I really fucking hate your guts. Dave! I can't believe how much you suck! Dave! I really fucking hate your guts. I hate your guts. Dave!
Okay, let's do just one more like that. Just like weirdly looking around. There we go. Dave!
Dave!
Oh my god. Okay. I put a bad one in my mouth.
Oh.